Hi. Look. It's a chicken. Chickens live on farms and they love pecking at the ground to find food. They eat grains, seeds, and sometimes little insects too. Hens lay eggs, and those eggs can hatch into baby chicks. Chicks are tiny, fluffy, and super cute. Chickens also make a sound that goes. Wow! Chickens are really fun farm animals. Don't forget to tap subscribe so you can meet more animal friends with me.